So a bit of an update on my big printer. So this is the fastest I've ever actually had this thing printing. I think the fastest move, like those ones for example, 450mm per second. So I think I need to get a few things more dialed in. So the print quality is a bit kind of suffering. I definitely had the retraction too high. I think I had it at 3mm, but this is an orbiter. So I've set that to 1.5, and I've set it was 50mm per second retraction. I've set it to 110, which is what's recommended for this guy. I don't know if that will help much, but yeah, we'll see what that does. Obviously got this random stringing. I don't know, I think it's just going so fast, but yeah, I just need to tweak a few things, I guess. So still got the NEMA 17s for X and Y. This board here, I kept getting drift. I guess missteps, but I don't know why, and I just could not work it out. I tried, had stealth chop off, I tried shortening the wires, I tried, everything I could think of. And I've got a feeling it's maybe the way Clipper communicates with this board. It seemed like specific print moves that it would skip the steps, and I just don't know. Yeah, anyway, so what I did was I actually went back to 2209s. Well, not back, because I never had them on these printer, but moved to 2209s. So I reduced the voltage on this 36 volt power supply down to 29 via the little pot in there. Well, it's about 28. And I've got some 2209s soldered to some strip board, which is under this fan. I've got the fan to keep them cool because they do shut down because I'm running them at like 1.8 amps. I think you can just run them with a heatsink if you run them at like 1.3 or something, or 1.2, whatever, but yeah, they definitely need that fan. This is obviously my standard of wiring. So we've still got a like old school A4, whatever it is, 499 one, that one, for Z at the moment, just because whatever, it's only Z, it doesn't need to be quiet or whatever, it works. Got a 2209 which is not in UART mode for the extruder, and the X and Y that are in UART mode, so I can set all the settings easily. So it's definitely like a mishmash of random things. The fan output on this thing just died a little while back. What I ended up doing was I actually got this Arduino Nano, flashed it as a Clipper MCU, and this is a second MCU. So that's going off to the fan controller. I've just realised that why didn't I just use a GPIO from the K8200 board? I don't know, but this was a good proof of concept that you can just easily make an MCU from a random Arduino. So I don't know, I mean, yeah, it's quick. It can go like 900mm per second, and then the MCU actually throws an error because it's the K8200 board is just like an 8-bit MCU. It just can't handle all the commands and throws an error. So that's the limiting factor there. But I just can't imagine actually printing, even 800, 700. Like this is 450, and it still needs a bit of work to get it dialed, I think. So we'll see how we go. But I'm very happy with how fast this is. Can really smash out parts quickly. Also got this. This is a case. Some people may have seen this from the Heavot. Triple fans to cool the board. This is actually a case for an Octopus Pro. So I've got one of those on order. I think it'll be a little while yet, but I might put in this printer. That was the idea, but then I couldn't wait, and then just did a hack job of getting it working anyway, so we'll see what happens. That's where I'm at with this printer. It's fast, I like it. Smash out parts real quick.